Hi everyone, and welcome to Windrider Farm. Today's video is part 1 of a series on how to successfully grow peppers. A large part of growing peppers successfully starts with choosing the right pepper varieties for your climate, specific growing location, and how you'll be growing them, whether that be in pots, in the ground, or even in a greenhouse. In this video, I'll show you 4 of the 5 species of peppers commonly grown, some of the characteristics of the pepper varieties within those pepper species, and where you can find and purchase quality seeds. I'll also show you many of the peppers that we're going to be growing this season. This year we'll still be growing many peppers in 2 of the greenhouses we've built, but we'll also be growing many peppers in our market garden. We will be growing many of the same varieties we've grown in the past, but this year we've also decided to try many new varieties. We purchase our pepper seeds online from several of the large seed companies, but there are many other places to purchase seeds, such as your local garden centers and nurseries. If you're new to growing peppers or even starting them from seed, before you purchase seeds, let's take a look at all the different species and varieties so that you can decide which peppers would work best for you. The first species that we'll be growing peppers from is the Capsicum Annum species, and these are the peppers that are most commonly grown in home gardens and the peppers you're most likely to find at your grocery store. The pepper plants of this species commonly grow to be 2 to 4 feet tall, and there are a lot of beautiful sweet pepper varieties that are part of this species. We were able to obtain some very unusual seeds from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. We'll also be growing the beautiful fish pepper, which is known for its variegated leaves. Also, we'll be growing some green jalapenos. We're also able to obtain some purple jalapeno seeds from Tomato Growers Supply. They also gave us some Sweet Bella hybrid peppers as a free packet. We'll also be growing some shishito peppers and some purple cayenne peppers. The second species we'll be growing from is the Capsicum Bakata species. These plants can grow to be very large, and the fruit take a long time to ripen. Last year we grew lemon drop peppers and sugar rush peach. This year we're also going to be trying sugar rush striped. The third species of peppers that we'll be growing is the Capsicum Chinense, and these are the hottest peppers that you can grow. These peppers are not meant to be eaten raw. Most of the time they're used to flavor, to be made into sauces, or dehydrated and ground into powders. Last season we grew the Carolina Reaper and Trinidad Scorpion, which are both varieties of this species. This year we're going to be growing some ghost peppers and some Scotch bonnet peppers. We've also decided to try an unusual one called a pink tiger. I've only seen photos of that pepper, but they're very beautiful. I was also able to obtain some white habanero peppers from Tomato Growers Supply. The fourth species of peppers we're going to be growing this year is the Capsicum pubescens. We'll be growing the Manzano peppers from this species. I chose these peppers because they are said to grow very well in cold climates. If you do order your seeds online, see if the seed company offers a free online or printed catalog. Often there's a great deal of additional useful information in their catalogs that's not offered on the back of their seed packets. I hope you found the information in part 1 of this series helpful, and I hope it's inspired you to try growing your peppers from seeds and to try some new varieties of peppers. In the second video of this series, I'll show you how to successfully start your newly purchased seeds. I'll cover seed starting mixes, growing trays, germination mats, and grow lights, and I'll also cover the best time to start your seeds.